Thank you for the advice.
I have our presentation from Botswana, specifically from the Department of Forestry and Trade Resources. Our team, we decided that we will not do individual presentation, we chose to do it as a team. That's our goal, what we do, since we work for different businesses. These are just pictures of how our fire bridge look like. The first one on the left, you can see this is how it looks on the ground. Like I said, it's 20 meters wide. And you can see on the sides of the fire break that the fluid load there is very high. In the event the fire comes, it means the fire could not be controlled. But with those fire breaks, the risks of fire crossing from one side to the other are minimized because that's the fire break. And the map on the right hand.
I have found that most of the wildfire management in Australia are being done by the indigenous people. It reduces the amount of fuel so that during fire outbreaks.
Given that there's an understanding of the value of those early season burns in preventing bigger fires later in the year.
But especially areas like the CKGR, as you mentioned, we need fires there.
My name is Peter Rumoy. Just for introduction, I work for Zambia and Mozambique Fellow. So the agency basically is mandated. Its mandate is to ensure that there is sustainable management of natural resources and environment. And this being looking at mitigation measures put in place and to ensure that the impact on the effects of climate change. So it's usually dry. As a result, this area here, we find that the the biomass get dry early, so that the fire begins from here, because the soil moisture is still dry by January by March to May, somewhere there. Then the second map, to your right, shows you how the now fire is moving from May to June. You see that now the fire is now spreading almost through the entire nation.
Maybe I share here, because there are a lot of other experiences that were also in the meeting that actually speaks to some of the work that we continue to do. So I'll talk about our work in terms of long-term ecological monitoring.
We do research in biodiversity, that is ecological and botanical monitoring on the burning plots, like in the way Mr. Bindo said, we have got 3 burning plots which was established in 1960. They are based in Mwekela. We have got late burning, early burning, and no fire every year since 1960. And then I normally even do training of communities which may need to be trained into fire. The based area, that's Kelonga Makaba, where I trained about 150 community forest officers. They are called honorary forest officers. They are not officers, but they are honorary. They just volunteer to do the forest work. And the five indigenous leaders, that is the chief admins, that is 5 chiefdoms. So each chiefdom were taught to do the mapping for each area, to come up with the area where we can do the demonstration of the fire management leaders. Like the way I learned here, I saw where they were saying that the community.
The main challenge in Zambia related to fire management. Yeah.
So those practices will contribute to carbon emissions reductions, and also cultural preservation and valuable knowledge to take to Mozambique.
Este é o aprendizado no fórum que a Austrália partilhou com os países em termos de gestão de fogo.
So this is a summary of what I learned in the Savannah Fire Forum in Australia.
Na Austrália, projetos como ICN, já sabem as siglas, não preciso estar aqui a repetir, e o NOR da Australia Fire Information Service, que é o NAF, mostraram aquilo que é o conhecimento tradicional indígena na gestão de fogo, que pode reduzir emissões de dióxido de carbono, gerar crédito de carbono e fortalecer aquilo que são as comunidades, com resultados como 1,2 milhões de toneladas, e que também, a partir destas toneladas, foram reduzidas a 7,6 milhões de créditos gerados aqui. É o que acontece em Moçambique. Nós vimos que em Moçambique, em 2015 a 2022, observou-se um aumento significativo, com um total de 2,4 milhões de créditos de carbono gerados nos últimos 2 anos. Mas nós, o que aconteceu é que olhamos desde 2015 a 2022, mas vimos que era muita coisa e fizemos avaliação nos últimos 2 anos. E desses 2 últimos anos, constatou-se que houve um total de 2,4 milhões de créditos.
I was involved also in biodiversity restoration plan in Manica province. And many of those projects result in manuscript, or they are manuscripts.
Eu coloquei essa foto de propósito.
So I brought this photo here on purpose.
Este é o feito de queimadas descontroladas nas comunidades da província de Cabo Delgado.
This is an example of a wildfire in the communities of Cabo Delgado.
O que nós fizemos depois de passar um fogo, se tiverem a ver, são as próprias comunidades que estão a fazer a reposição das plantas nas áreas onde foram. E aprendi também que para uma gestão de recursos naturais, incluindo o fogo, é necessário uma boa planificação e um investimento muito sério.
And I also learned that for good natural resources management, including fire.
Fellow very well. The north of Manica, Guru district, Tambara, Makossa. The main district is fire. In the middle side, Gondola, near N1, is the same problem. The south is Machaz.
I've also learned about integrating science and local knowledge.
A importância da colaboração entre pesquisadores, governo e populações tradicionais.
The importance of having a collaboration between researchers, governments and traditional communities.
We are going to everyday part to start to see a different kind of forest structure. Going to see the regeneration. And when the late fires are going in, you see a lot of mortality. But